Okay, today we are going to learn how to draw a layered cake. We're going to be making 3D cakes and objects. So to get started, you just need a pencil and a piece of paper. We're going to start with the top layer of our cake, and to start at the top, you are going to draw 2 parallel lines towards the top of your paper. Once you have those parallel lines there, you are going to draw a curved line towards the bottom of your paper at the bottom of those parallel lines. And you're going to do another one of those same curved lines at the top of those 2 parallel lines. So it kind of looks like part of a hockey puck maybe. The next step is we are going to do the opposite of this curve. We don't want it to look like a huge chef's hat or anything. We want to do the opposite of that curve, connecting the top part. But this curve is going to face towards the top of your paper. You can draw lightly, and if you don't like your line, just erase it and come back in. Okay? So you have just drawn your very first cylinder of the top of your cake. Okay. The next step is to draw 2 more parallel lines, and we want them to start right about where this bottom of your parallel line before ended. So you're going to make them wider because we want this cake to be wider, and we're going to have it start right about where that one ended, start right about where that one ended, make them about as the same width apart, same length. Your cake layers can be different heights, up to you. Then we're going to follow the same process where we're going to do a curve to connect them on the top and the bottom. And then now is the easy and fun part where we don't have to match this top curve anymore. We just have to match it just enough to go behind the top layer of the cake, the next layer of the cake. So now it looks like that first layer is sitting on top of our second layer. And we're going to continue this process all the way down. So this one stopped here and here. So I'm going to do my next parallel lines here and here. Maybe here. Remember, draw lightly so you can erase it if you don't like your setup. Then we're going to do our curved lines. And then curve it back behind that layer of cake. Then you're going to come back in and erase those lines that are our guidelines. And you're just going to keep going. See how many layers you can fit on your cake. Of your cake on your paper. Maybe I can fit one more. So for this project, we are going to cut this out. So it would just go for as big as it will fit onto your paper, and then that's as big as you can go. Okay, once you have your basic cake shape down, you get to decorate your cake any way that you would like. You can decorate it with flowers and leaves. You can decorate it with polka dots. You can decorate it each layer a different color motif or a different animal print or whatever you'd like. But that is the next step of the plan. You are going to decorate your cake using your imagination, whatever you want your cake to look like.